Now, making our first web page was a lot of fun. However, there are a few nagging issues that I would like to fix. And first of all, those would be our workspace settings. So I'm going to head over again to the cog and then I click on the settings. And now I'm going to open up this settings window. Now, within the settings window, first of all, I would like to change here the font size. So again, if you'd like to search for it, as you can see, we have an option on the search bar. And again, if I'm going to type something, this is going to bring me whatever setting I would like to change. So I'm going to say here that the new font size should be something like 26. So as you can see, this is going to be automatically saved. Now, next, again, just to show you that we have other option where we have the JSON object, then I'm just going to click it over here on the little icon, and this is going to open up my JSON object. Now, on the right hand side, these are going to be my settings or our settings that we're going to have. And remember, just by changing the zoom level, notice the setting is right away over here. And again, we didn't do this in a previous screen. Remember, we did it previously when we were zooming in and zooming out. So for now, your zoom level, let's say, is at 2. However, if I'm going to press it one more time, notice it's going to zoom in, and now my zoom level is going to be at 3. Now, within this screen, the way it will work, again, it's going to be the similar way, because again, we can look for something. Now, what I'm looking for is the tab size. So I can just say tab size, and this is going to bring me to the editor and tab size. Now, we're not going to be able to do any kind of work here because it's going to complain that this is going to be read only. So if I'm going to try to change this something here, this is not going to work. However, we're going to have an option of editing. So if I'm going to click on this little pencil, it says right away, copy to the settings. So the moment I'm going to do that, this is going to copy to the settings where I can change them. So in my case, I would like to have them as 1. Now, again, depending on how you like to work, your zoom level is obviously going to change. For me, I'm going to leave this for now at 2, and later on, I'm going to see how this is going to work. So what we can do right now is just close both settings, and we are ready to go.